Have you ever pondered why individuals earning identical salaries can exhibit such significant disparities in wealth accumulation? What if the key to achieving substantial financial prosperity resides not within the numerical figures of your bank account, but rather within the confines of your mental framework and perception of money? In this engaging video, we are set to delve profoundly into the intricate psychology of wealth, meticulously uncovering the critical mindset transformations you must begin adopting now in order to unlock the doors to financial abundance. If altering the trajectory of your financial journey is your goal, you have indeed arrived at the optimal destination. Before we proceed further, it is advisable to subscribe to the channel to ensure you do not miss out on any future valuable content offerings. By examining the foundational beliefs and attitudes that govern your relationship with money, we aim to offer insights into why some may struggle while others flourish financially, even when their incomes are comparable. Often, the differences lie not in how much one earns, but in how one perceives money and utilizes psychological strategies to manage it. Approaching financial freedom requires a thorough understanding of how your thoughts and emotions influence your economic behaviors. Changing your financial future starts with transforming the way you think about money. Perhaps you've held limiting beliefs, those subconscious convictions about money that you might not be fully aware of that have restrained your financial progress. Identifying and addressing these barriers can be pivotal. Such notions might include beliefs about scarcity, thinking that money is inherently hard to acquire, or viewing budgeting as deprivation rather than a strategic financial tool. Empowering your financial mindset is crucial to create a sustainable path to wealth. To cultivate a prosperity-oriented mindset, recognizing the habits and practices of successful individuals can be enlightening. Those who have achieved financial abundance often exhibit a particular set of mental tendencies and behaviors. They view money as a tool for achieving their goals rather than the goal itself. They show resilience to setbacks, and they practice patience and foresight. Visualization, an often overlooked technique, could be instrumental. Crafting a mental image of the financial success you wish to achieve can clarify your objectives and strengthen your resolve. Moreover, developing a proactive mindset towards opportunities is essential. Cultivating curiosity about novel financial ventures, being open to learning, and taking calculated risks invariably expand one's economic horizons. Momentous transformations in wealth often come to those who combine intuition with judgment, balancing optimism with realism. Financial literacy, encompassing a keen knowledge of investing, saving, and smart spending, underpins this proactive approach. Understanding the broader economic explore life-changing insights and unlock your potential. The role of mindset in managing and increasing wealth is vitally important, yet it often receives less attention than numerical strategies. This imbalance is due to a tendency to prioritize tangible figures over the psychological elements that drive financial decisions. Consider a scenario where you meticulously save money, only to find yourself spending impulsively on items you don't need. Such behavior illustrates a common financial misstep, typically rooted in unconscious beliefs and ingrained patterns. In this video, we'll delve into these foundational issues, offering practical steps to address them effectively. These insights might shed light on behaviors you weren't even aware of, from retail therapy to sudden splurges, which are deeply connected to emotional triggers rather than rational thinking. Understanding the psychology behind spending can foster a healthier relationship with money, enabling you to make decisions aligned with long-term goals rather than immediate gratification. Doing so not only improves financial health but also enhances overall well-being by reducing stress and anxiety tied to money issues. Delving deeper, we observe that societal norms and childhood upbringing significantly shape our financial habits. Messages received during formative years influence how we perceive money, whether it becomes a source of security or anxiety. Confronting these deeply ingrained beliefs can be transformative, allowing us to break free from unproductive patterns and embrace a more empowered mindset. Some individuals, for instance, may shy away from investing due to a fear of loss instilled by witnessing financial instability during their childhood. Understanding and dismantling these fears can open pathways to more confident and informed financial choices. It's not merely about acquiring wealth, but cultivating a mindset that supports sustainable financial growth. As you embark on this journey, remember that mindset shifts require patience and self-compassion as you unlearn and relearn healthier financial behaviors. In our exploration, We'll also discuss the importance of setting clear financial intentions. Establishing a vision for your financial future can act as both a motivator and a guiding compass, ensuring that your actions align with your aspirations. These intentions serve as benchmarks against which progress can be measured, instilling a sense of achievement as you move closer to your goals. Equally important is developing resilience in the face of financial setbacks, which are natural occurrences in any financial journey. Cultivating resilience involves viewing setbacks as learning opportunities rather than insurmountable failures. When setbacks are reframed positively, they become valuable lessons that inform better decisions in the future. Moreover, fostering a community of support can bolster your financial journey considerably. Sharing embarking on a journey to reshape one's financial mindset can be a profound experience, with the potential to significantly alter both your present and future. To aid in this transformation, subscribing to our channel can be a valuable step along the way, fostering a newfound understanding of how to reconstruct financial realities. This path offers the promise of achieving the freedom you seek, covering various aspects of wealth psychology. Let's delve into the foundational principles of wealth psychology, which is often misunderstood by many. A common misconception is that financial abundance can be equated with simply having a high income or successfully navigating investments. However, in truth, wealth is fundamentally a state of mind. It embodies more than just numerical success. It encompasses cultivating a healthy and empowering relationship with money. This approach involves making decisions that are congruent with your long-term aspirations, rather than just immediate financial gains. By aligning actions with these overarching goals, you can build a stable and secure financial future. Reevaluating your financial mindset begins with acknowledging the beliefs and habits that shape your approach to money. Often, long-held misconceptions about wealth can hinder growth and satisfaction. Identifying and addressing these preconceived notions is crucial in fostering a more positive and productive relationship with finances. Personal growth in this aspect is not limited to simply changing spending habits or investment strategies. It extends into altering the way you perceive and value resources. Making conscientious choices that reflect an understanding of your financial landscape allows you to optimize opportunities for growth and prosperity. Incorporating mindful spending and saving habits into your routine is integral to this transformation. Allocating resources in a manner that aligns with your goals requires a deep understanding of your current financial situation. By regularly assessing income and expenses, you can better identify areas for improvement and potential savings. This process encourages a deliberate approach to managing money, reducing wasteful expenditures while strengthening your financial health. Budgeting becomes more than a method of managing day-to-day expenses. It becomes a tool for realizing broader financial ambitions. Your attitude toward risk and uncertainty plays a significant role in shaping your financial mindset. Understanding and accepting the inevitability of change enables you to adapt and thrive, even in unpredictable economic climates. Fostering a proactive stance towards financial risks, such as market volatility or unexpected expenses, empowers you to take control and make informed decisions. Building a diverse portfolio, investing in your education, and creating an emergency fund are proactive strategies that can help cushion against uncertainties while creating pathways for growth. Embracing a vision of abundance rather than scarcity can transform the way you perceive money. Fundamentally influences your financial conduct, encompassing how you choose to allocate funds, the manner in which you save, and the strategies you employ when investing. When you nurture a mindset attuned to wealth, it embodies a belief in abundance over scarcity. This outlook is crucial, as it encourages you to view obstacles as opportunities and maintain an optimistic attitude towards your potential to accumulate wealth. By focusing on your inherent capabilities rather than being hindered by present constraints, you broaden your perspective on financial growth. Such a mindset involves visualizing your future achievements and allowing these to act as a driving force that steers your financial choices. This forward-thinking approach ensures that your actions today are aligned with your long-term financial goals. When you adopt an abundant mentality, you break free from a focus solely on earning money to also explore how you can diversify income streams and create passive revenue opportunities. You start to appreciate the value of time and effort in generating returns that extend beyond immediate monetary gains. Fostering an optimistic financial attitude not only enhances your ability to recognize potential avenues for growth, but also strengthens your resilience. This resilience becomes a shield against setbacks, ensuring that challenges do not undermine your progress but instead encourage innovative solutions. Recognizing the intrinsic link between your thoughts and financial outcomes empowers you to make informed decisions that are grounded in confidence and foresight. Adopting this comprehensive approach involves a constant reassessment of your beliefs regarding wealth and success, propelling you to question limiting notions and explore diverse strategies. This means engaging in lifelong learning about financial management, investment principles, and market trends to continuously refine your tactics. With this growth-oriented mindset, you develop an adaptability that enables you to navigate the fluctuating economic landscape effectively. Through this process, you cultivate a willingness to take calculated risks, understanding that substantial returns often come from ventures that require stepping outside of comfort zones. You become adept at identifying and evaluating opportunities, weighing potential benefits against possible downsides with a pragmatic yet hopeful outlook. This involves scrutinizing your current financial habits, identifying patterns that may hinder progress, and making necessary adjustments. Your approach to financial growth should be holistic, integrating various facets of sound financial planning, including budgeting, saving, investing, and wealth protection. By considering these elements as interconnected parts of a whole, the focus shifts from merely increasing your income to building a stable and secure financial future. This requires setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals that serve as benchmarks for your financial journey. To prioritize thoughtful, strategic decision-making that enhances both your net worth and your long-term financial security, consider shifting your focus from simple accumulation to smart financial planning. By adopting this mindset, you can effectively navigate the complexities of personal finance. To begin with, it's essential to set precise financial goals accompanied by clear timelines. Envision short, medium, and long-term objectives to provide direction and accountability. This specificity acts as a guiding framework, ensuring that each financial decision you make aligns with your broader objectives. For instance, your short-term targets might include creating an emergency fund or paying off high-interest debt, while medium-term goals could involve saving for a down payment on a home. Long-term aspirations may focus on retirement planning or funding higher education for your children. Beyond setting these goals, immerse yourself in the world of personal finance by cultivating a habit of continuous learning. Dive deeper than cursory knowledge by seeking out books and attending financial literacy seminars. These resources offer insights into investment strategies, budget management, and advanced saving techniques, broadening your understanding and equipping you with the necessary tools to make informed financial decisions. Engage with diverse educational materials to expand your understanding further. Podcasts, online courses, and webinars can also be valuable sources of information, providing you with up-to-date knowledge from industry experts. As financial markets and economic conditions are ever-changing, staying informed will empower you to adapt your strategy to new opportunities and potential threats. An equally important aspect of financial planning is developing disciplined saving and investing habits. Automating savings, such as setting up a direct deposit to a savings account, can ensure that you consistently work towards your financial goals. This approach reduces the temptation to spend impulsively and underscores the importance of paying yourself first. Moreover, understanding and managing risk is crucial in personal finance. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate potential losses while maximizing returns. Take the time to learn about various investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, assessing their suitability based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Budgeting is another fundamental component of sound financial planning. By tracking your income and expenses meticulously, you can identify areas of unnecessary spending and redirect those funds towards your financial goals. Employ budgeting tools and apps that help streamline this process and provide visibility into your spending habits. In addition, keep in mind the importance of maintaining a good credit score. Your credit history significantly impacts your ability to access favorable loan terms and conditions. Thank you for watching. If you found these insights useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have many more videos that will empower you to take charge of your finances and build the wealth you deserve. Watch our other videos to continue your journey of financial enlightenment and ensure that mindset becomes your greatest asset. See you in the next video.